Hello, my name is Chioma and I am a senior software engineer. But over the past year, I've been on a transformative journey diving deep into predictive analytics. I come from a solid background of software engineering, and when I joined PACE to sharpen my skills in data science and to understand more deeply how to tell stories, how to create insights. And this has been one of my best decisions. So far, I've learned a lot of things. I've learned how to transform data. I've learned how to create insight from data. I've learned how to create models. I've tackled a host of challenges. And this is also the reason why I decided to speak at TEDx Winnipeg, where I'll be talking about how biased AI is shaping our future. And so far, the learning experience has been so wonderful. Here at PACE, you also get the opportunity to be a part of Tech Manitoba. We have Tech Thursdays every week where we get to network with other people in the industry, learn what is new in the industry. For example, one of the events I attended was to teach us how to polish your LinkedIn account and how to polish your resume. So here, you're not just here to learn. You're also here to learn how to be thoughtful with your career, and this has been such an awesome experience. The PACE program is very hands-on, and my advice to any student who comes here is take your quizzes seriously, take your assignments seriously, take your presentations seriously. It is such a way that it feels like you are in a real workplace, because when you're reading for your quizzes, you're paying attention to things that you could have missed. When you're working on your presentations, you do these presentations as if you're presenting to a company, to executive, to your colleagues. And when you're doing all these assignments, you're taking them seriously, you're learning so much. You're going in depth with everything because you're not just listening to the instructor, you're practicing. And this is a real experience.